Hello students, this is your computer class and today we are going to start the topic Introduction to Programming Languages. Okay, this is tier 3 and unit A. Okay, so before starting or learning what is programming languages, just see what is language, what is program and how you express your things or your ways. Okay, so let's see language. First, language is a medium to express our views and feelings. Means language is a thing or a medium through which whatever we want to say, speak or express our feelings we can do with the help of this language. Okay. To communicate with the computer, we also need a language which it understands. Suppose we are human being, so we understand different languages. Like we can understand Hindi, English. Other countries they can understand French. Means every people or every country have different languages which they understand. Likewise, computer also have some languages which it understands and we have to communicate to computer in the programming language or in the language in which computer understands. Okay, so whatever the instructions we have to give to our computer, we need to give that instructions to computer to make some task perform. Okay, so we will use the language of computer to give them the instructions and to ask them to perform those instructions. Clear? Now let's see students what is program. Okay, so a program is a set of step-by-step instructions given to the computer to perform some specific task. Means whenever you write a program or you have to tell the computer to perform some specific task, what you need to do is you have to write the program, and a program is a step-by-step instructions which we give to the computer to perform some specific task. Okay. Now let's see the structure of programs. What is the structure of program? So while starting or writing a program, what we need to do is we have to give the input, then this input is given or transferred to the CPU which processes the input which is given, and then the output or the result is displayed. Okay, so input or it gives or accepts data from the user or from a file. Okay, whether we as a user give the input to the computer or it takes input from the file. Okay, now the next thing is processing. Where processing is done in CPU, and whatever the input is given, the processing is done according to it, such as whether we are given calculations, we have given to do the comparisons or do any such kind of things. So processing basically is to solve those problems, and the last step is to display the result or give the output, and after that your programs ends there and the language of a program starts and stops over here. Okay. So that's all for today students. We'll start with programming languages and different types of programming languages in the next class. Till then you read these pages, and if you have any confusions you can call me to clear your doubts. Okay, take care. Bye bye.